But again, so it comes with the replacement latch. As you can see, there's nothing on here, so I'm just a stickler about things like that. I figured if I could get away with doing it without having to change the whole cable, I'd go for it. So, you know, could save you 30 bucks or whatever it is for a new cable if you're willing to give that a try. And everything I've read about them says that they actually hold up and stand the test of time. And I mean, for sure need to detail it soon. One more little issue that I wanted to address. So I talked about it in my last video about don't buy the cheap ones. I mean, it literally just didn't want to stay on. So, and I tried re-sealing the double-sided tape on it. It just did not want. So I'm just gonna pull it off. I ain't even worried about it anymore. Just like that, it's gone. I do like the way it looks with the guards, but like I said, sadly, they just did not want to stay. So I might Let's get in here.
Yeah, just get you some black fabric paint and it'll be fine.
Oh my god.
It's fine.
Is it fun?
Yeah. My car, you can do that when we drive with BJ and like a bunch of people in my car.
Which way we gotta go to? Anyway, we're going to take some pictures and some B-rolls real quick. But I've never had this much booty cheeks in here. So, as you can hear, I'm rubbing. Straight?
Yeah, pretty much. I don't care.
Yes.
Is we walking home?
I don't know.
Find out on this week's episode.
I know I need to fix this AC. I was just talking about it too. I was like, I hadn't had any problems with the KFs other than the rubbing on that side, so I guess you can hear it.
But that's that house opposite telling you about this like huge fatigue.
They'll stop eventually.
Yeah, it'll rub until it don't. Jesus Christ. Well, look Johnson.
For real. Well, it's not a 3-people wheeler.
Yeah.
I think we only coming this way. Stay straight.
I feel like this place a lot farther than it was.
It's been hot. I'm gonna open up the hatch. Where we all took pictures the other day.
Why it's so
Alright, Aaron.
boy, sweat up in here, son. Fall over crying for some help back there. As you could hear, I was talking about how I had a little bit of rub. I had a lot of rub. But, so I guess we'll probably end up just having to take a little bit of camber out and then fix the issue. But, that's about it for this one. So, again, I appreciate y'all watching, and like, comment, and subscribe. Tell them something, man. Deuces.
If it ain't rubbing, it ain't racing.
Yeah.